TikTok Shop is a one-stop e-commerce solution for driving sales and brand growth on TikTok. TikTok Shop allows sellers to sell products directly on TikTok through in-feed videos, lives, and the Showcase tab. It enables product discovery, product details, checkout, and post-payment activities all within the TikTok app. What countries is TikTok Shop approved in? Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, United Kingdom, United States, and Vietnam. Who is TikTok Shop for? If you are a seller. TikTok Shop enables brands to showcase and sell products for the TikTok community to discover and purchase. Purchase and conversion. With an all-in app experience, there is no redirection to partnered shopping apps or websites, meaning higher conversion and sales. Campaigns and promotion. Get access to TikTok Shop's platform campaigns and extensive selection of promotion tools. Direct creator collaboration. Discover, communicate, and collaborate with thousands of creators through our affiliate program directly accessible on TikTok Shop. Performance analysis. Track performance, traffic, customer reviews, and transaction data through TikTok Shop's data dashboards. If you are a creator. TikTok Shop enables brands to showcase and sell products for the TikTok community to discover and purchase. Quick and seamless experience. Browse, select, and add your products into your in-feed videos, and live, and start selling and track performance in just a few taps. An all-in app experience. From product selection to community building and selling, everything happens within the TikTok app. A 360 degrees offering. Earn affiliate commission from products promoted in your content, and contact brands directly to request access to free products to promote. Brand partnerships and campaigns. Be connected to leading UK brands and gain access to potential long-term commercial collaboration opportunities. If you are a partner. TikTok Shop enables partners to facilitate a range of services for sellers and creators to help them grow on the platform. New leads and collaborations. Have the opportunity to collaborate with new brands/creators by tipping into the TikTok audiences. Training and development. Dedicated e-commerce and platform training to help usher you to growth. Rewards, incentives, and commission. Unlock your earning potential. If you are affiliate marketing specialist. TikTok Shop's affiliate program gives creators a new and exciting opportunity to monetize their content, creativity, and influence by collaborating with sellers on TikTok. Affiliate for sellers. Leverage our creator marketplace to seamlessly partner with our content creators who can sell to their audiences on your behalf. Affiliate for creators. Access a number of products to promote in the affiliate product marketplace and unlock the opportunity to earn commission. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe to our channel to stay informed about innovations in the world of e-commerce. Discover the e-commerce world with us.